bringing a new baby home is just incredible. But in all that excitement, it's so easy to forget about the person who did all the work, Mom. Her recovery is such a huge part of the story, but it often gets pushed to the side. So today, we're going to talk about that fourth trimester and lay out a real path back to feeling strong and confident in your own body.
So here's our plan. First, we'll get real about the fourth trimester. Then we'll look at what a real path to recovery looks like and what our gentle, personalized approach is all about. And finally, we'll talk about the end goal, getting your confidence back and feeling like you again.
All right, let's dive in. The fourth trimester, it's not just a catchy name. It's a time of huge physical change. And honestly, understanding what's going on with your body is the absolute first step to a smart and healthy recovery. So the baby's here. Now what? I mean, all the focus naturally goes to this amazing little person. But what about you? You just went through the marathon of a lifetime, pregnancy and birth. What happens next for you?
You know, we really have to reframe this. Your body has done something truly extraordinary. And just like any athlete after a huge event, it needs time to recover, to heal. This isn't about bouncing back. It's about mindfully and respectfully rebuilding your strength from the ground up. And that healing means addressing some very real and super common changes. We're talking about things like core weakness, maybe some pelvic floor issues, that nagging lower back pain, and even just changes in your posture from all the feeding and caring. If any of this sounds familiar, I promise you're not alone. In our clinical experience at Next Level, these are the completely normal results of a body that has worked so hard.
Okay, so recognizing these changes is step one. Step two is knowing that there is a clear, supportive path forward. So let's take a look at what that journey can look like. So what is postpartum physiotherapy really? Well, think of it as your personal recovery playbook. It's a safe, structured program built for one reason: to help you get your strength back, feel stable on your feet, and most of all, feel confident in your body again. It's all about guided, intentional healing. So you might be wondering, is this for me? Well, if you feel that deep weakness in your core, if you're dealing with pelvic floor issues, or if you have that constant back or pelvic pain, or hey, even if you just want to get back to working out without worrying about hurting yourself, then a guided journey like this is 100% for you.
But here's the thing. It's not just what you do, it's how you do it. A recovery that actually works has to be gentle and completely personalized to you. Let's see what that actually looks like in practice.
At Next Level, our process is really straightforward. It all starts with a respectful one-to-one assessment where we really listen to your story. From there, we build a clear, personalized recovery plan. No cookie-cutter stuff here. Then comes the guided work, gentle exercises that build up as you get stronger. And just as important, we give you the education for everyday life, like how to lift and carry your baby in a way that protects your body for the long run.
Let's take a common one, for example, diastasis recti, that separation of the ab muscles. This is the perfect example of why a targeted approach matters so much. What we see every single day in our clinic is that the right core rehab is incredibly effective. It's like we're reteaching those muscles how to work together again properly.
So that personalized plan becomes your unique roadmap. It might have specific exercises to wake up your deep core and pelvic floor, some gentle mobility work to ease stiffness, and practical advice on your posture. And of course, a gradual plan to get you back to the workouts and activities you love. And all of this careful step-by-step work, it's all leading to one thing: helping you get your confidence back. That's the real why behind all of this. It's about feeling strong and capable, not just for an hour at the clinic, but in every part of your day. And the results are so real. We're talking about feeling that core strength that makes lifting the car seat easier, having better bladder control, getting rid of that nagging back pain, and just feeling more comfortable while you're caring for your baby. It's all about getting back to your life, but feeling even stronger. Okay, a really big question we get all the time is this: what if I had a C-section? Can I still do this? The answer is a huge, confident yes. Actually, it can be even more important. A good physio plan will include gentle work on your scar mobility, which is so important for healing, and then move into safe core exercises that respect your body's recovery from surgery. Another totally understandable worry is intensity, right? After everything you've been through, the last thing you want is a workout that feels way too hard or even painful. No, not at all. In fact, our whole philosophy is the exact opposite of intensity. In our experience, the best, most lasting recovery always starts gently. The secret sauce is gradual progression. We meet you right where you are and build from there, one small step at a time, as you feel your strength and confidence grow. So when you're looking for help, what really matters? It boils down to three things. First, real expertise from specialists in women's health. Second, true personalization with one-on-one care. And third, a supportive environment, like our family-friendly clinic here in JBR that just gets it. That's what creates real change. And that really gets to the heart of what we do. This whole journey isn't just about the exercises. It's about empowerment. It's knowing that your recovery is important and that with the right guidance, you absolutely can feel strong, stable, and truly confident in your amazing body again. And that, right there, is the greatest success of all.